Cryptocurrency has taken the financial world by storm, and if you're looking to dive in, you're in the right place. Let's start with the basics. What is cryptocurrency? Simply put, it's a digital or virtual form of money that uses cryptography for security. Unlike traditional currencies, cryptocurrencies operate on decentralized networks based on blockchain technology. This means they're not controlled by any central authority, making transactions transparent and secure. Now that we've covered the fundamentals, let's get into how to get started. First, you'll need a cryptocurrency wallet. This is where you'll store your digital assets. There are various types of wallets: hardware wallets, which are physical devices, and software wallets, which are apps or online services. Choose one that fits your needs and security preferences. Once you have your wallet set up, it's time to buy some cryptocurrency. The easiest way to do this is through a cryptocurrency exchange. Platforms like Binance or Coinbase allow you to buy, sell, and trade a variety of cryptocurrencies. Just create an account, link your bank account or credit card, and you're ready to go. Remember to start small, especially if you're a beginner. Now let's discuss the top ways to make money with crypto. One popular method is buying and holding, also known as hodling. This strategy involves purchasing a cryptocurrency and holding on to it for an extended period, hoping its value will increase over time. It's a long-term investment approach that requires patience. Another method is crypto trading. This involves buying and selling cryptocurrencies on exchanges to take advantage of price fluctuations. It can be risky, but with the right research and strategy, it can also be very rewarding. Make sure to familiarize yourself with market trends and trading strategies before diving in. Staking is another exciting way to earn passive income. By staking your coins, you contribute to the network's operations and, in return, earn rewards. It's like earning interest on your savings, but in the crypto world. Airdrops are also worth mentioning. These are free distributions of tokens or coins to existing holders. They're often used as marketing strategies by new projects to gain traction. Keep an eye out for airdrop announcements, as they can be a great way to accumulate new assets without any investment. Then there's crypto mining, which involves using computer power to solve complex mathematical problems and validate transactions on the blockchain. While it requires some technical knowledge and investment in hardware, it can be lucrative if done correctly. Lastly, let's talk about play-to-earn games. These are blockchain-based games that allow you to earn cryptocurrency or NFTs while playing. It's a fun way to engage with the crypto space while potentially making money. Now let's move on to the tools and platforms you'll need. Binance is one of the largest exchanges offering a wide range of cryptocurrencies and trading options. Trust Wallet is a great choice for securely storing your assets. Other platforms like Kraken and Gemini also provide reliable services for buying and trading. Safety is paramount in the crypto world. Always enable two-factor authentication on your accounts and never share your private keys. Be cautious of phishing scams and only use reputable exchanges and wallets. Research projects thoroughly before investing, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. By following these steps and tips, you'll be well on your way to navigating the exciting world of cryptocurrency. Remember, the key is to stay informed and make educated decisions. Happy investing.